Mastering multiplication, seeing it in arrays. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be diving into an exciting topic in mathematics and English language learning: understanding multiplication. Today, we'll focus on a unique concept called multiplication as an array. This concept is a powerful visual tool that can help you understand multiplication better. Don't worry if you've never heard of arrays before. We will explain everything in detail. First off, let's start by understanding what an array is. In mathematics, an array is a way of organizing items in rows or columns. Think about an egg carton. It has a specific arrangement of eggs, often in rows and columns. This is a perfect example of an array. Arrays can be of any size, with any number of rows or columns. So, how does an array help us understand multiplication? Imagine you have 3 rows of 4 apples each. This situation can be expressed in multiplication as 3 multiplied by 4, written as 3 by 4. But instead of calculating it in the usual way, we can use the array method. Here, we can create an array of 3 rows with 4 apples in each row. Counting all the apples will give us the same result as 3 by 4, which is 12. Hence, an array allows us to visualize multiplication. Let's take another example. If we say 2 by 5, we can visualize it as an array of 2 rows and 5 columns. So, it's like having 2 sets of 5 items each. When we count all the items, we get 10, which is the result of the multiplication 2 by 5. Remember, the first number in the multiplication equation represents the number of rows in the array, and the second number represents the number of columns. That wraps up our discussion on multiplication as an array. I hope this visual method helps you understand multiplication a little better and makes it more fun and engaging. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any concept, so try creating arrays with different multiplication problems on your own. Thanks for tuning in today, and keep practicing.